here at the truck. Vacation's over, I guess. Well, that wasn't vacation. Mid-American Truck Show is all a work trip. You hear that, IRS? All a work trip. Anyway, but we're here. I just pulled in, and Kenworth's been sitting for a little bit. Scott's getting ready to head out in it tonight, so I got to make sure it runs and maybe add something that I think is going to be pretty cool, but we'll have to see. But let's get out here. Let's see if this thing will start up. Oh man, I don't know how long it's been since it started. Maybe a week and a half. No, I think it was, yeah, it would have been about a week ago. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be doing some work. Nope, not gonna get it. So, yep, time to get out the jumper cables and see if I can get this thing running. But how about a new emblem for it? Yep, well, let's see. And it's actually an old school emblem that I've been told that they're using for the 100th anniversary, so, but it's in yellow. Yeah, we'll see how that's gonna look on there. All right. Truck is filthy, but we knew that. All right, I'm gonna go jump this and we'll come back. Yeah, I put it on. Let's see if it grows on me at all. It's pretty good. That's very yellow, but I'm not crazy about yellow anyway. I also use the offset KW, but yeah, we'll see. It might grow on me. If not, I'll get a red one, but it's definitely the same bright yellow as the truck. Whew. Man. All right, I'm gonna have to go get my jumper cables and jump this thing up. Yeah, now I gotta run over here to my shop and we checked on the Kenworth, run over here to the shop, check on the Peterbilt, check on the shop. I mean, the Peterbilt's ripped apart. I'll show you what I got going on over there when I get there, but yeah, I'll go from there. Don't you hate it when you hear things slide around your bed and you cannot possibly figure out what's in there that you're hearing? Yeah. I always got things clunking around somewhere, but all right, it's a boring ride over, so I'll come back to you when I get there. All right, we're here at the shop. Go inside here. What we got going? What's going on? All right, maybe the truck magically washed itself while I was gone. Who knows? No, truck looks pretty dirty. Drove through a lot of rain. Yeah. A lot of rain and a sloppy parking lot, and I left for the truck show. That's what I left. So, got some work to do. Really, it's a part. I just got to put it back together. Yeah, turbo's laying here, manifold laying there. Yeah, a lot to do. Let's see, I got some posters to hang on the walls. Pretty cool. Including a Tony Justice poster. That's an additive that somebody gave me. They'll give me additives. I guess I'll try it. You know, it seems weird. Somebody gives you an additive, tells you what it is, and you dump it in your truck. But I know enough that I trust what he was saying. Check them things out. Let's see what that does. Get a light here. All right, it's supposed to be. I'll see. I think they actually sold me a kit for a newer Peterbilt because of a few things. Yeah, don't mind this door panel here. This was a project that didn't really work out, but I'm going the way everybody else is going all custom door panels here eventually. Let's see if I can get that thing off. No, I can't get that thing off. I might not have to. Sell me these things. It says on here, road skins, for the heater AC size. I don't know what that means. Threshold decals, and then the door panels. My threshold doesn't have them, but I know newer Peterbilts do. However, that will fit right in there. Wait, will that fit right in? Yep, that will fit right in there. It says door. Door, a threshold. See, I know the newer Peterbilts, I think the 389s have, I think their threshold has a Peterbilt somewhere. Somebody could tell me about that. But at these, now let me go over, see if this other one will work on the passenger side on the dash. I don't know if it will. If not, I'm gonna have to let Roadskins know. It's got a few of the wrong things in here. But, oh wow, why is the passenger side door locked? All right, don't mind that that's the trash can. Got the 379X symbol there. And I got this little Peterbilt symbol over here. So let me see if that is what this is. This is for the heater and AC box. Yep, that's what that is. Let's stick that on there. No, I can't just stick it on there. I'll have to clean it up a little bit. I'll leave them there. That's pretty cool. I got them for the doors. I think these bigger ones that are supposed to go, I don't know, it says for threshold. I don't know what I paid for them. I'm going to have to see because I bought it as a kit. So maybe I'll see if they want them back, or maybe I'll stick them somewhere. Who knows? Who knows? I do weird things like that. Oh, all these parts I got to go back on the truck. Obviously, I didn't clean up my tools before I left. I kind of was working right till the last minute, and then the wife said, well, it's time to go. Some bull snot. I use that for about everything. It's a window cleaner. Man, it cleans like everything. I'll reach in here. Truck's filthy. Inside and out, so. All right, I set the camera down for a second. I got it cleaned up good. I did the door too. I did the dash. Look at how that bull snot actually took the shine right off. That tells you it's a pretty good cleaner. I'm gonna have to re-armor them, but hey, it did the job of cleaning everything good. That looks really good. I can't believe how, you know, something so small just looks that good. That's really crazy. But as I was cleaning these up, it made me realize how much I got to clean this truck. So yeah, I'm gonna go do the driver's side. Well, there you have it. Now the driver's side's done. I just can't believe how good something so simple looks. But yeah, it really sparkles. That's crazy. All right, well, I guess that's enough with the fun work. Somehow I managed to, this being the only stuff that I bought for the Peterbilt there, I think. I did buy an emblem for the Kenworth too, but yeah, Mid-American Truck Show, I managed to not spend all that much money. Yeah, get these posters hung up. I don't know if I have anything to hang the posters with, but I got nails and stuff. But yeah, get them hung up because they're pretty cool. All right, yeah, let's get on the move here and get to work. All right, we assess that. Got to go on a parts run here. Figure out some things. Plus, I got There is a busted manifold bolt in there. I'm gonna have to fix. I've seen quite a few ways to do it. Makes sense on his YouTube channel. He has a Cummins, but I mean, really, a manifold bolt's a manifold bolt. He did the weld trick to get it out, so I'm gonna have to see exactly what I'm gonna do. I might try, you know, before he tried the weld trick, he tried the drilling it out, and it didn't work this time, but he actually said it did work on an old Cat engine that he had. So I might just try drilling it a bit. I'm gonna heat it up, I'll drill it, heat it up, and then see if maybe it'll just give way easily, and if not, well, we'll probably get to welding on that. But in the meantime, I gotta go get a couple gaskets and stuff, or a couple seals. Well, here I sit outside my shop. I went to Tractor Supply to get a couple things, extractor and stuff, see if I can get that bolt out. I was gonna stop by McDonald's for lunch. And I pulled in, and there was a local barbecue shop, had a trailer outside there. And so what I ended up getting was about a 3-pound pulled pork sandwich. It was incredible, but you know, I think I need to take a nap, and then we'll go get some work done. I guess nap time's over. These tools, get in here, see what we can do. Yeah. I got it. It's time to get dirty. Let you guys know how I make out with this. I got some drill bits just because they were on sale. You always have drill bits around. And you want drill bits. And I got this extractor kit. I don't know how well it'll work. We'll see. I'm gonna give it a try here, see if I can drill a little bit, get it in there, and yeah, we'll go from there. Well, that didn't work, but I didn't have high hopes that it would work, so I gotta call it quits for the day, because some other things coming tomorrow, and I guess I'm gonna have to get my welder. My welder's at home, and I just have a little Harbor Freight welder, but they say it'll work. I'll do the old washer and then weld a nut on trick, and see how all that works out. Once that happens, ready to clean this up a little bit and get it back together, and maybe actually go make some money. And look at all this flex pipe here. That is 16 feet of flex pipe I just got. It was, as you might know, flex pipe goes bad a lot. You know, it rusts. And I got 2 trucks that have quite a bit of flex pipe on it, and it's just a shop that had gone out of business, and I just closed their doors. They had this 16 feet of it, and said they sell it to me for 40 bucks. It's $2.50 a foot, so that was a pretty good deal. That was my deal of the day. So I guess I'm gonna waste a lot of time here welding and trying to get that off, but yeah, we'll get to that tomorrow. So right now I gotta go back over to the big yellow Kenworth and get that thing started up. Well, my busy wife called me and asked if I could swing by and feed the dog. I think, you hungry? Why are you so hungry? You don't usually eat for an hour. Oh, he's ready. Look at that, he's ready. And she asked if I could feed the dog because she has a meeting after work. Yeah, I guess she'll eat anyway, won't you? That's Gary the Beagle. Always ready to eat. Yeah, and we'll do this and then head back out, see if we can get over there, and still got to get that Kenworth started. So I put this logo on the front and leave it to Scott to point out. Now I got a red logo there, and I got a red logo on the back of the cab. So my OCD is not going to allow that to happen. Neither would our buddy Tony. He would never allow that. Now I'm going to have to get 2 more yellow Kenworth logos. I thought I got off cheap, but nah, missed some more. Yeah. Oh well. lights on the side, but don't worry, we'll get them. Sweet, rolling coal and looking good. All right, guys, I'm wrapping it up for today. Ready to go to bed. See a welder down there? Is it? That's a Harbor Freight welder. I'm gonna load it up. I'm gonna take it over to the shop. I am not a welder. I don't know much about welding. I know a little bit. Think I can make this happen. We're gonna do the whole thing with do the whole thing to get that bolt out with the welding a washer on and then welding a nut. But yeah, I'll worry about that tomorrow. So yeah, I think it's time for bed. What do you think, Gary? That's a wife too. Look at the wife. Yeah, she loves that. I just did that to her. She's ready for bed. What do you think? What do you think, Gary? Huh? Huh? What? Yep. Gary the Beagle says it's time for bed. We'll finish this up tomorrow.